Hello guys, today is a really special minute for me because I'm going to craft my favorite weapon, and it took me a year to craft it because yes, it's Nacker's pistol, as you can see here. So it's 1 billion cash, which I have over here. 1 billion cash. Motion phaser, which I have over here. And 2 unobtainium. Well, I have many. And last of all, $25 thermite ore, which I have over here. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Okay. So now guys, here's the moment of me getting Nacker's pistol. 3, 2, 1. Yay! I finally got Nacker's pistol. I'm gonna test it out now. Okay. Tsunami. If you guys see, this is how it works out now. So yeah, so that's it for the video. So I'll see you next time. Bye.